Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about the NC RSI indicator. And RSI indicator is not new, okay, but I've tried to enhance it with some pretty cool stuff that I have not seen anyone do. So first of all, the purple line here that you see is just a regular RSI, okay, and when we talk about the period, okay, when we talk about the period, that's the period for the RSI. Okay, so if I go ahead and change the period for the RSI, you can see the line adjusts. Okay, now what you can also change is the overbought and oversold, sorry, the other way around, lines. So this becomes pretty useful because you have to kind of control what they show. Okay, so finally you can actually show signals. Okay, so if you show signals, you'll see that when that's on, you see an arrow will come up when the line crosses from the threshold areas into the main zone. Okay, now finally, as you know, a lot of RSIs now come with a smoother. Okay, so you can select, so the blue line is the smooth dot line, so you can go for the John Eller Super Smoother, which is really cool. You can go for all sorts of EMAs, SMAs, or whatever. Okay, and you can also select the Super Smoother period. Okay, so you can see, so this is something controlled here. Okay, I think this is the maximum you can take out from the RSI. Okay, and which makes it pretty versatile. And also, if you get the product, you'll also see me explain the source code, which is actually a really good exercise if you want to start coding. Okay, is to actually explore how the regular indicators are coded, and I do a full code review of how I coded the RSI indicator, and the way I coded it is a bit different from the way you see from it done in Ninja, so it's a bit more clear with some examples, so feel free to pop in. Thank you.